Mental health has become a key issue all over the country, and I wish all institutions would embrace having sessions to educate people on how to cope with mental health challenges. Here in ZTech, we have sessions, very often sessions. Every month, we usually invite a guest speaker to discuss about mental health to our students and also to our staff, so that we know how to deal with issues when they come. We see when we leave the mental health issue on its own, then it turns to depression, and then we have issues that are coming up from there. So I think it's important for institutions to embrace offering the sessions of mental health in their institutions, so that we can be able to salvage and save the situation the way it is right now.
The government is a very powerful tool for change, and mental health, basic mental health skills and basic counseling skills should be mandatory. Anybody who is dealing with another human being in our schools, beginning from early childhood development centers, primary schools, high schools, tertiary colleges, universities, going to the workspaces, and especially the civil service, we need to ensure that we have that training. And it is not costly for a country that cares about future innovation, future harmony, future peace, and future unity. And so if that can be done, and especially to all civil servants, because before the government thinks about other players, you have your civil servants. How equipped are they? And if you cannot do all of them, we already have the targeted centers that can make a very big difference. That is the learning centers. All learning institutions, beginning from the lowest level to the highest level, basic counseling and mental health skills must be taught. And people must be held accountable, and especially where things don't go right. So we also need reinforcers, implementers, and we need serious monitoring and evaluation of this curricula that we call life skills and mental health for those universities or colleges that have. We need to have counselors who are professional, employed in all learning institutions. Do students have meaning and purpose in their lives? While they are in school, is it just thinking of money afterwards? Because we need to turn around their meaning for life. We need to turn around with CBC, that if a student is already thinking about solving a problem another human being is going through, then automatically they will become compassionate. They will become more humane than they have ever been. But where is that education? Where is that education? Who is taking these students through such kind of education? And so I'm saying, if we are talking about CBC, the universities that are actually the brainchild and the researchers, implementers of these kind of ideologies and policies or curricula should be at the forefront, working on CBC in terms of the students' holistic life, mentally, physically, socially, spiritually, emotionally. Because we cannot just build academic giants who are so inhumane, who can plan with all the intellectual capacities they have on actually robbing a bank, robbing their parents, destabilizing an economy. It can't happen. It's about values. And that is where I talk about making meaning.